Welcome to Home Seller Bootcamp Part 5. You've made it the whole way to the end, and today we're going to wrap up with the best way to make your house shine for showings. Hi, I'm Ashley Schultz with RE/MAX Select Realty out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. All right, so let's dive on in. You've done all of the hard work, we've done the listing pictures, and now it's time to actually show your house to potential buyers. Today I'm going to share with you my 3-step process for making your house shine for showing time. Step 1 is going to be hit the lights. The lighter and brighter that your home is for your home tours, the better. Your house will look its best with the light shining in through all of the windows. So before you head out, you're going to turn on all the lights, open up all the curtains and blinds, and let all of that natural light come in as well. You also still want to turn the lights on even when it's bright outside, because it'll just create a little bit more ambiance in your home as well. Step 2 is going to be set the thermostat. You want to create a comfortable atmosphere when buyers are coming through the home. You don't want them to be too hot or too cold when they're touring. 72 degrees tends to be like a pretty good temp that feels all around comfortable for most people. So that's usually where I recommend to set your thermostat at. However, if you're appealing to the weather, there might be some caveats to that. If it's freezing cold outside, maybe turn up your heat a little bit more. Or if it's a really, really hot day, crank your AC so it's nice and cold when the buyers walk in. Also, if you're dealing with a really nice like spring or fall day, it helps to maybe open the windows and let some fresh breeze blow through the house as well. Just gives it like that extra nice little touch. Step number 3 is going to be set the scene. Remember that when buyers are coming to tour your home, they want to be able to envision the lifestyle of living there, not just whether or not they like the house. They want to actually be able to see the lifestyle that they'll have there, and that's what you want to sell to them. Prepping your home to feel more like an experience and highlighting the features that would appeal to them is definitely something that will be helpful to you. It always helps to play some soft music in the background. If you have a fireplace that you can leave on, that adds a nice touch as well. Maybe light a candle or two. Just show off any of the fun features of the house. If you have a theater room or a game room, maybe put on a movie or a game and some fresh popcorn, just again to kind of set the stage and set the scene for them. If you have a hot tub, turn on the jets and let them see that it works. Or if you have a pool, maybe throw some fun floaties in the pool and show them what a great time you can have in the summer there. If the weather's nice and want to stage your patio or deck with some comfortable furniture, set it in a conversational way, and again, just get them to see the appeal of being able to have some outdoor entertaining as well. All right, so there you have it. Those are my 3 steps to showings that will be very helpful for you when buyers come to tour your home. I hope that you have found this video series helpful. If you've missed parts 1 through 4, please make sure you go back and check those out. I also have a free Home Seller Bootcamp guide that you can download on my website. I will go ahead and link that below. Also, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more information that I have to share with you in the future. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.